Hello, my name is Edward Arnold, and on July 23rd, 26th, at the University of Indiana, Indiana, USA, at the Society for Scientific Exploration, I'll be presenting the unidentified aerial phenomena spatial distancing theory. This is a theory that I created 53 years ago in the year 1970 when it was first conceived. People laughed at the theory, they thought it was kind of harebrained. In the year 1970, there was very little about what's called UFOs. You had some movies that were available. It was Earth versus the Flying Saucers. It was The Day the Earth Stood Still, which is a classic movie. And Eric von Daniken's Chariot of the Gods had been published, but was not really well known. The theory is very simple. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand it, but it has a basic concept, and that concept is a consensus that the unidentified aerial phenomena, or UFOs, use a method of propulsion which is anti gravity. Now, this consensus is based upon observers stating that they do not see what we call methods of propulsion. There's no rocket engines, there are no propellers, and there appears to be no types of fans which causes it to move. So the consensus has been that the unidentified flying objects use some type of form of anti-gravity. So if you take that consensus, then the theory makes sense. What this is based upon in 1970 is I was simply in a class on science at Middle Tennessee State University in Tennessee, and we were talking about the Earth has two different motions. We have a sidereal motion, which is 137 miles per hour, which means the Earth is rotating from east to west at a speed of 1,037 miles per hour. The Earth is traveling in a solar orbit through outer space around the sun at a speed of 67,000 miles per hour. Now, this theory didn't make any sense until 2 years ago. And 2 years ago, I made a slight change. We made a slight change. People understand the theory. I was speaking to a gentleman, and he was very honest that I do not understand feet, yards, miles. I don't understand what you're talking about. So I converted these distances and these speeds into something he had an understanding of, and it was a football field. Virtually everybody knows what a football field is. They've seen them on TV. They've been to them in real life. They are 100 yards. So the theory transform is that in a period of 1 second, the Earth has rotated a speed of 5 football fields. So in 1 second, we have physically moved from east to west 5 football fields. As you're looking at going through outer space in the orbit of the sun, we have moved a distance of 327 football fields in 1 second. So in 1 second, we moved two directions. We moved east to west, 5 football fields. If you want to call it north to south, there is no north or south in outer space, but to give a better understanding, we moved north to south a distance of 327 football fields. So the basic concept of theory of the spatial distance theory is very simple. The UFO or unidentified aerial phenomena isn't moving. The observer is moving. So if you take the consensus that the object is not affected by gravity, the object is simply standing still. We have moved 5 football fields east to west and 327 football fields north to south. So the concept is the unidentified aerial phenomena is not moving, the observer's moving. And one of the issues that you see repeatedly over and over again is the observers say for some reason this object suddenly shot upward at such a tremendous speed and was simply gone. In essence, it didn't go anywhere. It just stopped using our gravity, basically stopped using all of our gravity. And so we moved, it didn't move. So this is Edward Arnold. I'm looking forward to hope you can come and see me July 23rd to 26th, University of Indiana, for Society for Scientific Exploration for an exploration on the unidentified aerial phenomena spatial distancing theory. Thank you.